Hello, I'm Renee and you're watching Island House Handmade. In today's show, I'm going to be making a cute cruise travel gift set. I'm going on a cruise with 3 other couples and I thought it would be a really good DIY cute gift to give them at the airport. I'm going to show you how I make my handmade lip balm using all natural ingredients. I'm also making them a little cabin potpourri spray with vanilla scent. It's going to be smelling like a tropical vacation. And I'm also gonna make the little travel gift set in this canvas pouch, all wrapped up. And I'm using these bright colored vinyls to make a vinyl decal for the front. And I can't wait to make this. I hope you stay to the end so you can see how it all comes out. To make this handmade lip balm is very, very easy. Inside the kit that I just showed you is this little tray, and on the back of the tray is where you put your empty lip balm tubes and you just clip them on to the back like that. You want to clip them close because when you pour you want them all concentrated. Then this little tray just sits up like that. There's also a spatula that comes in the kit, so if you'd like to trim off the top, sometimes there's overspill and you just scrape it off and then your lip balm tubes look beautiful like this when they're finished. This lip balm is so nourishing and healthy for your lips. And I thought it'd be a nice idea because we're going on a cruise and after the sun, sometimes your lips get dry. So I'm adding this into the cruise travel kit. What I'm using is all natural spearmint flavor oil. This is organic and this is very good for you. I also bought the empty lip balm tubes in a bag here at walmart.com. You'll need a tablespoon, something to mix with. You can use a little spatula or a little baby whisk. I have this pour spout glass container that I can microwave. And your simple ingredients are going to be 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I bought this at BJ's. 2 tablespoons of beeswax. And this is by Crafter's Choice, and I got this at Wholesale Supplies Plus. I also have Shea butter. This is raw, unrefined, organic shea butter, and I bought this at walmart.com. It comes in this nice Ziploc bag, and it's in a nice block, and that's how the shea butter comes. So you want to store it tightly after you finish using it for the next time you want to make more lip balms. So now to get started, what you want to do is put in 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, the beeswax, and the shea butter, and you microwave it 30 seconds at a time for about 2 to 3 minutes, and keep your eye on it. And then once it's melted, all you need to do is pour this into the tray, freeze it for 30 minutes, put the cap on, and you have yourself some really good moisturizing organic lip balm. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Our ingredients are all melted in the microwave. This took about 2 to 3 minutes, 30 seconds at a time. So the next step you want to do is 30 drops of your flavor oil, and we're going to go right in. 1, 2, 3, and just stir it all in, and you have to work quickly. Here we have, I sprayed them a little with alcohol, and all you do is just pour them straight in. These are ready. They're gonna go in the freezer, I would say half an hour, and they're gonna really get set up. Then we're gonna close the tops and our lip balm will be ready. I took the lip balms out of the freezer and you can see it's all hard now. Okay, so it's all frozen and you can see there's the extra on the top. Well, they gave a spatula. What we're gonna do is just trim this off and then we're gonna go ahead and put our caps on. To make our room spray is very simple. You do need a few ingredients. Today we're using alcohol, glycerin, witch hazel, polysorbate 80, and vanilla scent. You'll weigh out all your ingredients on a little kitchen scale. I'm using these little 1 ounce spray bottles and I'm just labeling them cabin spray. So what you need to do is mix in 0.5 of an ounce of the essential oil. This is vanilla and this smells like a tropical vacation. Then you'll need double the amount of the polysorbate 80. This is an emulsifier. So when you mix these two together, they stay together combined and they stay clear when you mix the alcohol, the witch hazel, and the glycerin. Next you'll need 1.2 ounces of the alcohol. Mix that in and stir. Always stir after each time you add something. We're gonna add 0.8 ounces of this witch hazel, 0.2 ounces of glycerin, mixing it all up. This is for a 4-ounce recipe. And what you need to do is mix it all up, and once it's all mixed, you just pour it into these little bottles here. And then you have a vanilla scented room spray. I'm labeling this cabin spray because I'm making a cute little cruise travel kit. So to finish off our cabin spray and our lip balm, on my computer I printed these little labels. So this one just says Potpourri Cabin Spray Vanilla. I have Soft and Smooth Lip Balm with the flavor Spearmint. And I have, of course, our little cute whale soap with the olive oil. All my labels are on and I have, for each set, the guy and the girl. And now that everything is ready, we're gonna get right into wrapping all this up. Now for the fun part, we get to wrap it all up. So these are the little travel pouches I made, and I used my Cricut maker with some tropical vinyl, and we are on cruise mode. Yes, we are. Aruba 2025. I found a cute coordinating tie in my stash, and now we're ready to fill these little travel kits up and present them to the ladies when we get to the airport. So I chose some little pocket tissues, a couple of Band-Aids, and an Alka-Seltzer pack. Never know. I got them some little hand wipes. I wrapped up the whale soap really cute and I put a little tag that says, "For a really good time." Olive oil soap. and of course the cabin spray and the lip balm. I have the Ziploc bags from the Dollar Tree and everything is sealed and the caps are on tight and it's going right in the bag. So I'm glad you stayed with me all the way to the end. Now you can see how adorable these little travel kits turned out, and I really cannot wait till we get to the airport. Everyone's excited and we'll see how it turns out, but thank you so much for staying till the end. I'm so glad I got to show you this project, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.